Hello everyone! You might be wondering about what was happening. If you want to learn more about this, then watch further.
The Earth is made from a variety of different features: oceans, plains, rivers, mountains, and one of the most dramatic ones, volcanoes. A volcano is essentially a rupture in Earth's crust, the Earth's rocky outermost layers that lies on top of its hotter inner layers. The Earth's crust and the upper mantle forms the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid and rigid outer layer of our planet. Lithosphere is broken up into slabs known as tectonic plates. They fit together like puzzle pieces to make up the surface of the Earth. Most volcanoes are found along these tectonic plate margins, either at a destructive or a constructive plate margin. Most of these margins allow gas and molten rock to escape from inside the planet to the surface. There are two main types of volcanoes: composite volcano and shield volcano. Composite volcano has a magma chamber at the bottom, which is like a hot bubbling furnace. Magma from the Earth's mantle enters the chamber and gathers there until pressure builds, causing gas to escape and water to turn to steam. Eventually, the pressure rises to a point where a volcanic eruption results from an explosion. The main vent is where the majority of the magma travels before leaving the volcano through the crater. Some magma also makes its way through secondary vent and out through secondary cone. For different materials can be ejected into the atmosphere by craters. This includes lava, the term for magma that has burst at the Earth's surface. Pieces of rocks, known as volcanic bombs. Gas. And thick ash. Every time a volcano erupts, the lava that spills out of it cools and solidifies with the ash to form different layers of ash and lava. Stratovolcanoes are another name for composite volcanoes because strato means layers. Shield volcanoes are big, broad volcanoes where lava flows out in thin layers, allowing it to travel farther down the steep slopes as they slowly construct from thousands of eruptions.